to the
Real
fence,
good
please.
job. Y'all are big
Pull
boys.
it. Pull the rope. Pull it.
You have a girlfriend
Hey,
in
pull it.
school?
Hey, pull hard.
What's her name?
Pull. There you go. Pull. Pull.
Now talk to him and say, come on, Pokey.
Oh
Get
my
him.
goodness,
Get
he's
him.
got
Come
3
on, Pokey.
girlfriends.
No, there's a
Get him,
boy
baby.
on
Say,
Come
come
on,
on,
there's a boy
Pokey.
on there. You got 2 girlfriends that I'm
Call her.
Hey,
boyfriend.
pull hard.
There's one more.
Hey, pull it. Pull.
Oh my.
Pull hard. Harder.
Pull.
Harder.
Yeah, pull him.
Harder.
There you go. See?
Good job.
You got to pull hard,
I ain't
Hayden.
never seen one lead that quick. Have you? Never been to it.
Walk around it.
She likes that.
Well, they say them things ain't nothing but a pet.
Come this way and walk.
Be easy. Walk to her gentle.
Walk to her slow.
Okay.
Gentle.
Real
Walk up
slow.
there. Hold your hand out.
Let her smell of you like a dog.
There you go. Now reach for and pet her. Major, get back here.
Say, good job,
Just
Pokey.
put you on her. You ready to ride her? Why?
Wait, I go get my saddle.
No, you don't need no saddle. Hold your rope.
Not
Hayden.
behind him.
You gotta hold your rope. Always hold on to your rope.
Get your rope and she'll kick you behind.
Now,
Hey.
slide your hand up the rope.
I didn't do this.
Yes, you did. You done real good.
Pull
Pull
hard.
hard.
Pull hard. Don't let her pull you that way. All
Yeah,
right,
that-
slide your hands up
that
the rope,
hurts.
Hayden.
Yeah, I was sticky.
I
Other
feel it in my
You wanna
house.
go up there and pet her?
No.
They squirrel right
Look, wait a minute. Get a hold of your rope.
No.
so we can touch
There
them.
you are.
Yeah.
Get a
Them
hold of your rope.
stick, but them don't.
Pull it too.
Them these don't.
Pull it too. See it coming?
Listen, don't.
Yeah, they don't.
They
You ain't on there and let him ride that phone.
We had this wire up there, and
Hayden, you did great, bud.
This big piece up 'cause
Proud
it
of
kept
you.
falling over it.
Yeah, and everybody told me, he said, oh, if goats have got something to eat in the fence, they won't go nowhere.
Oh, yeah,
That
they
is a
do.
lie.
Don't back. Don't go
Yeah.
up to her back.
They crawl out all the time.
Wait a minute. You want to ride too?
Come here. Over here.
Huh? Look here. Look here, Hayden. Watch him.
Hold her hair. Get a hold of her hair.
Wait.
Just a minute.
Okay, just a minute. You'll be next.
Your next is watch. He's scared of her.
He won't be.
Huh?
Look at her.
Good job, Zane.
Thanks.
Good job, Zane. Hold on to its mane. Just like you do the horn. Say, good job, Pokey.
I'm Derek.
Hayden wants to ride now.
Come here.